If you're looking for a fun Christmas craft to do with your kids or grandkids, these gumdrop garlands and Christmas ornaments are really easy to make. They are really cute strung on a fireplace or on your Christmas tree. Homemade ornaments just add a lot of fun, warm charm to your home at Christmas time. Stay with me till the end of the video and I'll show you how to make single gumdrop ornaments that you can hang on the tree. I'm Jan from YouMakeItSimple.com, and I think you'll really like this simple Christmas craft. Let's get started. Let's go over the supplies and materials that you'll need for your garland. Of course, you'll need some gumdrops. I like to use, you can get the green and red, but I like to use a variety of colors. I like to use big and small gumdrops. To string the gumdrops, you'll need to use a strong thread, and I like to use upholstery thread. So depending on how long you want your garland is how long you are going to cut your thread. I recommend doing 2 short ones if you want a really long one, then to have just one big long garland. You'll need to use 26 gauge or 30 gauge wire, paddle wire, and a long yarn needle. Wire cutters, a small bowl of flour, and I'll show you what we'll be doing with that in just a minute. And if you want to add cinnamon sticks, some cinnamon sticks, you'll want to pre-drill holes, which is really easy to do if you are going to add cinnamon sticks to the garland. It's cute both ways. So cut the amount of thread that you want to use, and on the one end you're going to make a loop so you can hang the garland. Just make a big loop about 2 inches and then make a knot so that you have a big loop with a knot. Thread your needle and just leave about a 6-inch tail. And if you are using cinnamon sticks, I like to put a cinnamon stick at the end that just keeps the gumdrops held against the knot. But if you're not using a gumdrop, you don't have to worry about that. You can just start threading. So here's the trick from keeping your needle from getting all gummy and sticky, is to have a bowl of flour so when it goes through the gumdrop it doesn't get all sticky. So I'm going to start with a big gumdrop. Just poke it through. And between gumdrops, just dip it in the flour. Just alternate the colors. Pretty no-brainer activity. But see how that keeps for your, otherwise your fingers will get all gummy and sticky and your needle will really gum up. If you do find the needle getting sticky, just rinse it under water and then let it dry and then begin again. When you get to the end, you want to leave enough thread so that you can make another loop and a knot to hang it up. And you can just string it and string it wherever you want to hang it. To make the single gumdrop ornaments for your tree, just measure out about 8 inches of wire. Bring the ends together. Grab a big gumdrop and from the top down, stick those ends down the center and out the bottom. And then you're going to fold each wire. Just make a little half hook like so. You can do that with the fingers or you can use your little pliers there, and then you're going to pull it back up into the gumdrop until you can't see the wire. And there you have it. A cute little gumdrop ornament that you can hang on the tree. I was just going to mention, if you don't want your candies eaten by your pets, like you can see here, my border collie just thought this was, we had just left a nice little treat hanging from the fireplace, and we walked in and he was just a licking and chewing and enjoying the garland. So if you don't want them eaten by your pets, maybe not a great idea to have hanging where they can get those. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.